I paid $350,000 for that building.
And it's now got an estimate of $5 million?
Yeah, because I'm renting it different. So the renters are paying more money. That is based off of a cap rate. We can run those numbers later, but that is based off of a cap rate on the building. So the building is just it's just a 26,000 square foot building. If we're getting $16 a square foot, $14 a square foot in some areas, 12 in some areas in it, and you're getting different prices like that, they take the rents divided by the expenses. You know, they take all your rents, all your expenses, they take your expenses out of it, then they take your NOI, and then you divide that by whatever cap rate it's going to sell at, and that's going to give you the value of it. So
Wow.
it's not difficult. It's easy to do. That building is a great hedge on inflation for me because it's actually appreciating right now higher and faster than what inflation is going up. Now it's doing it because my rents were low and I was able to bring my rents up. So if I got a normal house, then I'm able to do a 5% increase on my rents a year. Okay, that hedges a lot of money. That value, I get 5% more on money, so I make that money. Then I get 5% more on my other money that I make on my W-2 job, which I don't have a W-2 job, but if I had one, I'd make 5% more on that. Then if you look at it, that building or that home appreciates at 5% also. So now you got your rent appreciation, you got your appreciation on your ordinary income, you got your appreciation on what the value of that building went up. So you got that appreciation. Then you got your depreciation, which doesn't change. That's what you bought it at. So you're going to get the value of that building for what you bought it at. So that building may be worth $4 million, but that building, I only paid $350,000 for it when I bought it. So that building, I only get depreciation on $350,000, or probably about $300,000 because they did whatever they did for the land.